Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be going through some weird food that I found at the Asian market. Sort of like the spicy chicken flavored popcorn. So you ready? Let's get into this. Well, since I mentioned the popcorn, I guess we should try this first. I guess I should be scared. Really scared. It doesn't look so bad. Wow, and this does smell just like a chicken sandwich. Well, I guess I better try this out. Spicy. Well, this doesn't really taste like chicken at all. Honestly, I consider that a good thing. Let's try this again. Well, it's not terrible, but it's not really good either, so I don't know. Chicken popcorn, y'all. Next, we're gonna try these tropical pineapple marshmallows. Looks like it might just be a regular marshmallow with pineapple stuff just squirted in there. But it's a Hello Kitty product, so it has to be good, right? Right? Oh, that's strong pineapple smell coming out of this bag here. Feels just like a regular marshmallow. But let's see about the taste. Oh, that's good. That's pretty good, actually. Oh, that one didn't have any pineapple in it. Hold on. Okay, well, not bad. We have spicy seasoned dry squid. I'll just go ahead and tell you, full disclosure, I was kind of raised on this, so I'm gonna think it's good. But I'll tell you right now, it's gonna stink like you wouldn't believe. Sometimes it's squid, and sometimes it's cuttlefish. It just kind of depends. This stuff will actually sort of make your teeth hurt because it's gonna get in between your teeth quite a bit. So I recommend if you're gonna have something like this, that you have some dental floss on hand or something like that. Let's check this out. Spicy. Tasty stuff, but you'll have to get past the smell. It is really, really strong, especially for someone who hasn't had anything like this before. I'm gonna have some more really quick. I love this stuff. Okay, this one's gonna be new to me. These are little tiny fried crabs. You can see it comes in a little paper boat, so that's kind of funny. Honestly, I'm a little bit scared of these, but we'll find out. Cute, huh? Let's find a good one. Here's one that's still got some of the legs on it. Well, this doesn't really smell like anything. I was expecting these to be kind of fishy smelling or something. Here goes nothing. Oh, that's spicy. These are spicy, but they're good. As long as you can get past the thing kind of looking back at you here when you're eating it. It's a little morbid. Let's eat one more for good measure. Well, that was a lot better than I expected, actually. The best part is you have a souvenir boat after you get finished. Gotta like that. All right, next we got Kit Kats. But they're not just any Kit Kats. They're green tea flavored Kit Kats. I've actually been wanting to try these for a very long time. Well, these are about the size of the small ones that you get during Halloween. Whoa, that's weird. It kind of smells like a regular Kit Kat though. Well, it really does taste like green tea. It's pretty good, actually. If you've ever had green tea ice cream at a Japanese restaurant, it's not really like that. That stuff is pretty sweet. These taste a lot more like actual green tea, just sweetened a little bit. I was really expecting the ice cream flavor, but this is actually better, to be totally honest. Well, so far so good. Everything's been pretty tasty as far as I'm concerned. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks, and all sorts of other kitchen-related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Finally, we have our last thing that I picked up, and if you're gonna do Japanese food, you can't skip natto. Do me a favor, go to a sushi bar and try to ask for this, and watch what happens. They all have it, they just don't want to give it to you. Take this out of here. This is sold frozen, so you have to defrost it first. I've already went ahead and done that. And in the package, you've got seasoned sauce here. This is a lot like ponzu. A little bit of spicy mustard here that goes in there. And you got your natto beans. Basically all this is fermented soybeans. This is gonna look really gross, but you gotta come into this with an open mind if you're gonna try something like this. The first thing you gotta do is get this plastic film off the top here. And the best way to get that off is just to kind of pull it off to the side, close the lid, and then just pull this off like this. See all that sticky stuff on my finger? That's gonna be a recurring theme here. And here you go. See all that stickiness? Some people call it fermented. Some people call it rotten. Looks great, doesn't it? Okay, so we'll just set this into this bowl here. We're gonna put in some of that sauce, or just all of it anyway. Throw in the mustard. And we're gonna add a little bit of soy sauce. Now we just gotta mix this up really good. The more you mix it, the stickier it's gonna get. Appetizing, isn't it? What? After that, this just goes over some rice, like so. And then you usually top it off with a little bit of seaweed like that. Again, I was raised on this stuff, so I love it. But when my wife sees me eating it, she just kind of heads the other direction. The key is when you eat this, you gotta avoid all that sticky crap coming off of the bottom of it. This will just be flying all over the place and get all over your lips and arms and face and everywhere else. That's the kind of stuff that you have to just give it a chance. It's gonna look terrible, but I'll tell you what, it is really good, and it's really good for you too. I'll tell you what, all this stuff just looks really, really weird, and if I wasn't raised on a lot of it, I probably would never try it. I'm lucky I was though, because otherwise I'd be missing out on some pretty darn delicious food. The popcorn and the crabs though, probably wouldn't lose any sleep over those. But on the other hand, I was expecting a lot worse. If you like this video, you might like the one I made a while back on how to make fried rice. I thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.